Hello everyone, today I will explain my homework 3.2, exercise 3.5. Write a CH to control C++ language by control RFID sensor. Control RFID sensor via CH and link with C++ program. The chronological is simple. The C++ program on Arduino reads RFID text, matches UID, and controls LED. What the CHPC application receives data via several ports and display it in real time, forming a closed loop of hardware collection, logical judgment, software display. Next, I will focus on crew functions to help you understand key links of the whole process. First, clarify three crew objectives. Use Arduino C++ to read the Unicode UID of RFID tags. Compare the read UID with the preset target UID. Turn on LED if matched, turn off if not. The CHPC application receives several data from Arduino and displays UID and matching result in real time. These three objectives cover hardware control, logical judgment, and software interaction, which are the core design of the whole project. To implement the object, we need this hardware, Arduino Uno development board, MFRC 522 RFID module, 2 LED light, breadboard, and 2 conveyor. Now is hardware connections. The key is SPI pin connection between RFID module and Arduino. SDA to pin 10, RST to pin 9, SCK to pin 13, MOSI to pin 11, MISO to pin 12, LED to pin Arduino 2, LCD to pin ground, which is basis of hardware communication. This lead is the basic configuration of C++ code with two crew libraries and key objects. Hash include SPI point H and hash include MFRC 522.h. The SPI library is the communication language between RFID and Arduino, and the MFRC 522 library is dedicated to control RFID model, which these two libraries RFID can't be operated. MFRC 522 RFID SSP RSTP create RFID operation object RFID. Subsequent tag reading and integration rely on this object. Pin definitions, for example, SSP to pin 10 use constant to define constant pins to avoid model function during operation. Ensure the program can control hardware creatively. This part is the basic preparation of the program, paving the way for subsequent functions. This is the core framework of C++ program or Arduino program. Follow the structure of setup, run only once, and loop function, run in loop, setup function. The code is the integration. Several begin 9600 interlace several points with bond rate 9600 must be constant with C hash to avoid corrupted date. RFID PCD entirely RFID model to make it ready. Min will set LED pin as output model and assign default MIF ARE key 0 multiply FF to ensure communication with text. Loop function. The code is a continuous tag dictation. RFID PICC is new card percent. Yes. And RFID PICC read card several detect new tags and RFID UID return directly if no new tag to avoid invalid operation. Write each bit of UID in hexadecimal for C hash site to view and compare. Setup does one-time preparation. Loop function does continuous work. They are the core execution logical of C++ program. This slide is the core function of C++. UID matching and LED control. UID matching. Define match variable No.2 compare read UID with target UID. Set match to false if any bit is inconstant. LED control. Matching it. Set match LED on 3 seconds via several port. Turn on LED and keep it on for 3 seconds, then turn off. Not matched. Set no matched LED off via several points. Ensure LED is off. Key functions: RFID, PICC, HALTA. Is this? Puts tag to sleep to avoid repeated reading. PCD stop circle 1. This. Releasing communication resource for next reading. This part achieves the core requirement of judging if the tag is the target one and feeding back result via hardware and several ports. The core of C hash program is receive date and display date. This slide is basic preparation. Interface components. One is combo box. Combo box display available several ports for selecting the one connected to Arduino. Button one controls several ports connect or disconnect. List box display received RFID date in real time. This is the hash code. Several internalization create several port objects and configure permanent constant with Arduino. Bound rate 9600, no pre 8 bits, 1 stop bit ASC to encode. New line is or on match the new line character of Arduino's several. Print ln to ensure read line can read complete date. This part enables CH program to communication and interact with Arduino. This seed is the curl function button one click for hash several control. Connect several port. Select the several port in drop down box. Bit date received. Event target when receiving date. Open several port. Change button text to discontact. Disable drop down box to avoid misoperation. Disconnect several port. On bit date received event. Close several port. Change button text back to connect enable drop down box. Use try catch to catch errors. For example, several port occupied and pop up pre-mapped box to avoid program crash and ensure stable operation. Several date received is the curl function for CH to received date. Target automatically when several port gets date from Arduino. First, check if several port is open to avoid inviolable reading. Read line reads a complete line of date. For example, UID matching result. Use invoke to update list box across 3 CH interface can only be modified by means thread. Add date and scroll to the latest item automatically. This part achieves the goal of receiving and displaying RFID date in real time. Now summarize 3 core knowledge points. First, communication protocol SPI, high speed, short distance between RFID and Arduino, UART several between Arduino and CH. Second, cross language collaboration. C++ controls hardware high efficiency. CH build interface easy development. Crew is constant several permits. RFID principal MFR 522 emit radio frequency field to power passive text with Unicode UID following MIF ARE protocol. These 3 points are key to understanding CH control C++ RFID. Uh, finally, geometry whole process. After cracked hardware connection, upload the C++ code to Arduino and open C hash program. Uh, Select several port and click connect. List box shows connected and RFID ready. Target tag approaching LED on for 3 seconds. C hash displays UID and match. Non-target tag approaching LED off. C hash displays UID and no matching. The whole process verifies all project objectives are achieved and the system runs stable. Now let's look at this video. This is all my homework. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.